Welcome to Zoom session. Here I am presenting some basic features of the Zoom. So Zoom is now very popular. It's using for online teaching, online classes, and online meetings. So Zoom unifies cloud video conferencing, online meetings, online teaching, and group messaging into one easy-to-use platform. So first step is download desktop application. For that, we have to visit the website zoom.us/download. Then, after downloading this Zoom application, then click to install Zoom. Step 2. Create an account. To use Zoom, we must have to create an account by using our email, or we can sign in to the Zoom directly by using our Google account or by using our Facebook account. Or we can sign in by using SSO, a single sign-on. Step 3, that is interface of the Zoom, desktop Zoom. So in Zoom, we see this like buttons, that options. Here we see new meeting option. So this button is used to start new meeting. By clicking here, we can start meeting instantly by clicking here. And next is here we see join. Here see a plus sign also. By clicking this join button, we can join the ongoing meeting. If we know the password and the ID of the meeting, we can click here to join ongoing meeting. And next here we see the schedule. We can set up the future meeting by clicking here, or we can schedule the meeting by clicking here. And next we see here a share screen. We can share the screen and join into the meeting by clicking here. So here we see the share screen. So we can share our computer screen directly into the meeting by clicking here. So you can see here, share your computer screen in Zoom room by entering in the sharing key or meeting ID instead of our facing camera. So this is about this home, all button is about inside this home tab. And next we see on the chat tab, here we see the starred message, contact request, all files like this. And here you see on this tab we can view conversations and contacts, groups conversation over here. And next we see next tab, meeting tab. Here in this meeting tab we see the upcoming meeting, view the meeting, and here we see the copy invitation, edit the schedule meeting, and we can start the schedule meeting by clicking over here start. And we can see the recorded meeting by clicking this record tab. And here we see the plus sign, small plus sign. From here we can add the new schedule meeting. Next we see here by clicking this plus sign we can schedule the next meeting, or we can schedule from the Outlook, or we can schedule the meeting from the Google Calendar. Here we see click the plus, then click schedule meeting, set up a future meeting. here we see click the plus again, then click schedule meeting, set up another separate future meeting. In this way we can set up the future meeting, or we can list the number of meeting by scheduling different meetings. And we can start that schedule meeting by clicking over here, and we can delete this meeting by clicking on the delete button, and we can edit the schedule details by clicking over here, and we can copy the schedule meeting by clicking copy invitation. So here we see the details of the scheduled meeting. We can hide it by hide meeting invitation, and we can edit these details, and we can delete this scheduled meeting by clicking over here. So here is the details of the scheduled meeting. Here we see the topics, the time and date, duration, time zone. We have to change into the time zone into the Kathmandu. And here we see meeting ID. We can generate automatically the meeting ID, or we can fix the meeting ID by clicking here personal meeting ID. And password we can put over here, or we can remove the password by clicking removing this mark. And video options over here, we can do on and off video while starting meeting. Audio also, we can use telephone audio also, or we can use computer audio. And calendar we can use that schedule calendar from the Outlook calendar, or from Google calendar, or from other calendar. After finishing these details, we can click on this. We click on this schedule. Next, we see this contact tabs. In this tab, we can view and manage our contacts. So we can add the contacts, or we can invite the scheduled meeting by clicking this plus sign and clicking on add contacts. After clicking add contact, this box pop-ups, and from in this box we can put email address over here to whom we are going to send the invitation, and click on add contacts. And after clicking this add contacts, the invitation will be sent to the this email address, and the contact will be added in our contact list of this Zoom application. So after pressing this OK, then we can start the meeting, the scheduled meeting. So in this meeting, we see the different controls at the bottom. Let's see this audio, setting of the audio, video, we can on off, invite. From here also we can send invitation. We can manage participation, and we can share the screen, and more option of this share screen by clicking here. We can chat, we can record the meeting. Let's see this audio option. This we can mute and unmute by clicking over this button, and the more option will be displayed when clicking this arrow key. Here we can setting the audio, and we can just speaker microphone, right? And next we see the video option also over here. Here you see in the video options we can use this camera, and we can, if you have multiple camera, we can select over here the camera and video setting, and we can choose virtual background also from here. And next see another control. This is a security control. This is very important because of the security issues in this Zoom application. Now Zoom application has made more secure by end-to-end encryption. That means both side encryption. In the security option, we see this lock meeting. If we select this, the meeting will be locked. That means the participant cannot enter in that particular meeting. And here, enable waiting room. If we select this enable waiting room, the when participant enter the meeting, then it will it will ask to admit to the host until the host click on admit the new participant. That participant can enter. If this enable waiting room is removed, then when the participant came to join to the meeting, then it directly enter the meeting room. And next is here option share screen. That means it allowed to the participant to share a screen. When you select this, it allows to participant to chat. When you select this, it allows to participant to rename themselves and remove participant. We can remove participant also by clicking here, by selecting the participant and clicking over here. And next, we see here this window. After clicking this manage participant, it will show the list of the participants in that particular meeting. And here we see invite. You can invite another participant by clicking here. And we can do mute all the participants by clicking here. And we can unmute all the participants by clicking over here. Unmute all. And next, we see this more option right next to the share screen. This is advanced sharing option. Here we see these options. How many person can share at the same time? So here is one person can share at the same time is selected. Who can share? Here only host can share the screen. You select it. If you select over here, then all the participants can share their screen in that meeting. Now this is a share screen. Share screen is another meeting controls. One of the meeting controls. Here, after pressing the share screen, we see this screen. Here is this screen of this basic tab. Here we can share the screen by clicking here, or we can share whiteboard by clicking over here, or we can share the content of iPhone, iPad by clicking over here by using Bluetooth. And here is another option to share the sound with that share screen. And after clicking this share, then the screen will be shared in that meeting. And next is in the share screen. Here is in the advanced tab. You see these three options. Here a portion of screen. We can share the selected screen, that a portion of the screen only, and we can share the computer sound only, or music only, or we can share the content from the second camera, another camera. We can share. And on the next tab, files tab, we can share the files, documents, and other materials from Microsoft OneDrive, or we can share from Google Drive, or we can share from this box. This is another content management system, which is paid version. We can share from that. We can share the content from this box also. So after sharing the screen, we see the controls of the meeting is like this, will be like this. And we can pause the share screen here. And here is annotation over here. We can annotate on the screen. And here is a remote control. We can give the control to the participant by give mouse or keyboard controls to selecting the participant. And here is more option, three dots. By clicking on this, we can see the another options: chat, record, disable participant annotation. If you select this, the participant cannot annotate all over the screen. And we can select over here also show the names of annotators. If we select this, then we can see the name and annotations also. Name of the annotators and annotation over it. And hide the floating meeting controls. These meeting controls we can hide. And share computer sound. We have already done this. And we can do end meeting over here from here also. So that's it. There's some basic things of the Zoom application, desktop version of Zoom application. And here we can see some shortcut keys of these Zoom applications. If we know these shortcut keys, we can operate this Zoom quickly. So Alt V, that is starts the video, Alt A, mute on mute audio, Alt M, mute on mute audio for everyone except host. Like this, there is a few another shortcut keys. And here is also one of shortcut keys. We can use shortcut keys in the Zoom also. Here is also the communicate with others, Alt plus Y, raise or lower hand, Alt Shift plus R, gain remote control, Alt Shift plus G, stop remote control, Alt plus W, close current chat session. Like this, there is another communicate with others shortcut keys. Okay, thank you for watching this presentation. Thank you very much.